Hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to be making the start of our new so our event handler. First of all, we need to import and install a new package. It's going to be Express, which I completely forgot about yesterday. And next we need to create a new folder. I'm going to call it routes with a lowercase r, and then I'm going to create an app.js in here. So next we need to module.exports. That's function express. Right, and then const app equals express app dot get, and do a slash, get our request and res. Cool. Now res dot send works. Then console, no, yeah. Next one more, and this is going to be our listening event. So app.listen, and the port is going to be like, I don't know, 3000. And then console.log listening on port 3000. Right, that's me. And next I'm going to walk you through how to get a Roblox token. So first of all, you need to actually quickly go into your index under client.commands. You need to type require, and then /roots/app, and we'll just quickly test it works. So we have our event, and then if I go to my local host 3000, it will not work. Okay, one moment. Const app is express, and oh yeah, so we need to, because we did a function in our index, we need to add an extra bracket here to actually run it. Hey, listening on port 3000, and now if I go here again, it says works. Okay, cool. Next we're going to walk you through how to start on your getting your Roblox token. So we need to make a private window, and it's important to make it in private. Go to Roblox, and we're just going to make a new account, so I'm just going to say April 1st, and let's say I was born in 1988. Next I'm just going to make my bot account name, so Raptor test bot account, and I'm going to make my password Dex, make it male, and sign up. Now I have to quickly do the captcha, because, you know, I'm a robot. You what? Okay, try again. Pick the giraffe. Okay. Next we need to do a couple things, so we can right click here, inspect, and then this should pop up. Bring it over. Then we need to go over to our we need to go to the application tab, and then it should say here cookies. So here is my cookie, and I'm just going to copy this, and make sure you copy the full thing. I'm going to go back into here, I'm going to make a new line. This is going to be cookie, and it's going to be this, and that is good. So now you have your token. Next I'm going to show you how far we're in the video. Okay, I'll show you this in the next video. I'll do a 2.5 video. So I'm also going to say now that this command handler is really basic, and this event handler and routes is really basic. So tomorrow, or whenever the next video is uploaded, is going to be making a token generator. So this is going to be, and I'll explain what the token generator is for. It's for a specific type of token that you need to access the web endpoints, but it's only temp. But this is the whole point of it. It'll tell you how to regenerate it and stuff. And this will allow you to access post requests on the Roblox API list, which I can get up for you now. You can close this tab, by the way, when you're done. So Roblox API solidate pages. So here we are, and then you have all these APIs you can use, and you need to have these in the headers, so it'll be useful for you. Okay, cool. I hope to see you guys tomorrow.